And now we look at Parsons Farewell. Okay, so we've done the first line, hands together, which you've done absolutely fine. I'll just play it for you. Okay, so you heard all the staccato, and you also heard that the left hand with these crotchet notes, with the rests in between, they are not staccato. So although sometimes, there's only one place actually, the right hand has a staccato note, but the left hand needs to keep it a full length. There. Like that. Try not to let this happen. So you end up with this left hand suddenly throwing in a staccato note because the right hand is. Right, you've got to be able to do different things in the two hands. Okay, now we said we'd look at the last line. So we didn't get time to look at the left hand, did we? I'm just going to play the right hand. So from the beginning of the line, we've got E, the staccato at the end, slur, then staccato. Now again, follow these notes carefully. Goes all the way up to A, then down, then E, and then D to finish, and off in the rest. And ignore the very last note for the moment, okay? You need to watch the timing. You didn't quite get it when we were practicing it in the lesson. So that's bar 13, 14, 15, where it says writ over the top. It's a crotchet, then a quavers, then a crotchet, then a minim. Okay, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 1. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 1. Listen to it again. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 1. Okay, sometimes it's quite tricky when we're doing lots of quavers to suddenly find how long should that crotchet be, and that crotchet at the end of the bar be as well. I'll go from the little quavers before that. Wait, then the minim. Okay, so be careful with the rhythm. The left hand starts on C, but with the fourth finger. So make sure you use the fourth finger. It copies a little bit what the right hand is doing, with staccato on the end, and D. Then you've got to change to the 5, run all the way up to the A, which is played twice, and then D at the end, okay? I'll do that again in the left hand from bar 13, 4 on C, now change to the 5, do the quavers, A for 2 beats, A for another 2 beats, and then D, okay? If you want to try it hands together, that first bar works quite nicely, they sort of copy each other. Then the next bar, lift and change the finger, remember? Now here, there's a lift in the left hand to play the A again, and then join to the Ds, all right? So hopefully you've got it written in your music. There should be a lift written in that left hand, okay? You notice that those quavers that run up to the A are playing the same. D, E, F, G, A. All right, they're 2 octaves apart, but they're playing in unison, the same. Keep the right hand smooth, lift the left hand, and join both to Ds. I finish on the same D in each hand.